Today I share with you how to make a professional tortilla wrapper for shawarma. You can't wait to see this, and it's going to be the best way to get this done. To begin, guys, all you need is all-purpose flour. So this is all-purpose flour. I make use of 2 cups. The center next you need is water. So that is cold water. Add in a little bit of it. All you have to do is to stir this together. So guys, what did I just use? Just 2 ingredients, guys. Just 2 ingredients. Okay, you don't need any other ingredients at this point. All you got to do is to be mixing that until you have a strong dough like this. So that is me getting that mix. I'm going to transfer that back inside this wall surface and then use my hand to do the final job. So I will keep on mixing until the flour and then everything comes together like this. So you can see how that is pumping. So you have to give her a very good mix, and then it's going to be amazing. So that is me after mixing that. So this is what I have. So I'm going to proceed at this point by cutting that with my cutter, then just divide everything like this. Have you shared this video? You just need to follow this process to make your tortilla wrapper for shawarma, and it's going to be the best ever. So now I take one of it. All I do is to tighten it like this. So I'm going to tighten both sign like this. So after tightening it, I'm going to do the rest of it like this. Just keep it aside, so then tighten the other ones. Just so simple. So once you tie it like this, make sure that everything is equal size, then do it like this. So transfer everything back inside this bowl. All you need now is to grease that with oil. So that is cooking oil. Use it to grease all over the body of the batter. Then bring one of it, add it in the wall surface. Use your hand to press it around like this. Next, you are going to take the second one. Use your hand to wide it again, the same way you did the first one. All you need to do now is to take 2 of them and join together. So this is me joining that together. So what you have to do now is to take your roller to roll that until it's white, and then before you can proceed. All you need to do is to share this video, follow this process to make this, and it's going to be the best you have ever seen or try. It's going to be mind-blowing, like mind-blowing. Oh God, this is just so simple to get done. So now that you are done getting that roll, you have to take a cover that is going to give you one shape. So use your knife to cut out the excess. Then all you have to do is to open. So at this point, you are going to use this your descent roller to roll it like this, then transfer that inside this clean pan. So this is clean pan in the heat. All you have to do is to transfer that inside the heat like this, and then white everything on top of the pan like this. You see how I bring it inside the pan, guys? Don't forget to bring it like this, because it's going to enable you to easily transfer that back inside this pan like this. So that is me getting that done. All you have to do is to use low heat to be turning this other side, turn other side like 1 second. The more you are turning it, you are going to see this sign. So when you see this sign, you are going to be using your hand to open it like this. It's just so simple. Just imagine, guys. At this point, you are going to have your 2 tortilla at once like this. It was just so simple. All you have to do is to turn the other side, then get that fry again like 2 minutes. All you have to do is to bring it out from the heat like this. It was just so simple. This just how I'm going to get the rest of it. What you have to do is that after bringing it out from here, you are going to cover it with your kitchen towel before you can proceed. So guys, look at that. After getting everything done, this is what I have. Just imagine this. You can easily squeeze this. It's not going to tear. All you need to do is to follow this process. Just check how I get this mix. You are going to make amazing shawarma for your family. This time around, you don't need to stress yourself to make your tortilla wrapper for shawarma. All you need to do is to share this video and follow this process. I love you in my next one. Bye.